Stick figure animations are going viral, and not just for entertainment. Many creators are using them to earn up to $300 a day by telling simple, relatable stories that connect with millions of viewers. We may visit popular stick figure animation channels which are growing. Watch their videos and get inspiration. Today, I am going to tell you complete method for creation of stick figure animation videos. And the best part, you don't need to be an artist or animator. With tools like Meta AI, Canva, and Clipchamp, you can create animated videos easily, for free. All these tools are free and unlimited for you. Here's the step-by-step method to start today. Why stick figure animation is taking off. A simple and clear storytelling. A no animation experience required. A viral content potential on YouTube Shorts, TikTok and Reels. A fast production and easy to understand. A unlimited creation for free. Tools you'll use. A Meta AI for generating unlimited stick figure images and scenes. A Canva for sequencing images, adding animation effects, sound, and exporting MP4 videos. A Clipchamp for recording or generating voiceovers. Free MP4 to MP3 converter for turning video files into audio versions. Step-by-step method. Step 1. Go to Meta AI, Imagine. Visit https://imagine.meta.com. A login with your Facebook or Instagram account. This AI tool allows you to generate unlimited images with just text prompts. Example prompt. Stick figure boy with big eyes and emotional expression standing in a forest, cartoon style, simple 2D art, minimal color, white background. You can also try stick figure running, Stickman crying on a bench, Stickman dancing in celebration. Pro tip, generate each scene in your story as a separate prompt, like storyboarding. Step 2. Download your images. Right-click and download all the images from Meta AI. You'll use these images to build your animated story in Canva. Step 3. Open Canva, free version. Visit https://www.canva.com. Start a new video project, 16:9 or 9:16 for shorts/reels. Upload all your Meta AI stick figure images. Drag each image into the timeline and arrange them in story order. Step 4. Add animation and sound in Canva. Use Canva's built-in animate options, e.g. figure images. Drag each image into the timeline and arrange them in story order. Step 4. Add animation and sound in Canva. Use Canva's built-in animate options, e.g. fade, rise, pan. Add transitions between scenes. Insert background music from Canva's free audio library. Add text overlays if needed, dialogue or story narration. Step 5. Record or add voiceover using Clipchamp. Visit https://clipchamp.com. Use the voiceover recording tool to add narration using your microphone. Or use text-to-speech, TTS, in Clipchamp if you prefer AI voices. Export the voice file and upload it into Canva to sync with your video. Step 6. Export as MP4 and convert to MP3, optional. Once your animation is ready in Canva, click Download MP4. If you need an audio version only, go to any free online converter like https://cloudconvert.com/mp4-to-mp3. Upload your MP4 and download the MP3 version for podcasting or background audio use. How to make $300 per day with your stick figure animations. 1. YouTube Shorts and monetization. Start a YouTube channel focused on short stick figure stories. Once you hit 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can earn from ads. Viral stick figure channels grow fast due to shareability. 2. Sell storytelling services. They offer custom stick figure stories for brands, educators, or YouTubers on Fiverr, Upwork, or social media. Charge $50 to $150 per short animation. 3. Promote affiliate links. Add motivational or educational affiliate links in your video description. Earn commissions when people click and buy. 4. Sell your own digital products. Create a bundle of stick figure image packs or Canva templates. Sell on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Final tips for success. Use a consistent stick figure character throughout your videos. Tell short, engaging stories. Conflict, emotion, resolution. Keep videos under 2 minutes for better retention. Upload 2 to 3 videos per week to grow fast. Stick figure story ideas. The lazy stickman who changed his life. Stickman learns the power of discipline. A stickman's journey from failure to success. You don't need expensive software or artistic skills. Just imagination, Meta AI, Canva, and a little storytelling power. Start creating today, and your first viral stick figure video might just be your next big breakthrough. In case you feel any difficulty, please ask in comments. Thanks for watching,